Hello guys, welcome back to the class. In this class we are going to learn how to set up a VPN on Kali Linux machine. So let's start by opening a terminal. So let me start the Firefox browser as well. So let me go to google.com, and in here let me type what is my IP address. What is my IP address.com. So this is the website, and my IP address should be 183 something like that, 183.83.162 and 17, that you know from the previous class. It's the same IP address, it's not changed. So let me also open VPNbook.com. VPNbook.com. This website is very famous for providing free VPN service. So as you have used PPTP, point to point tunneling protocol VPN in the Windows VPN service, so now we will use free OpenVPN. So these are all the VPN certificate bundles that you can download and use in order to set up a VPN on this machine. And as you can see over here, let me maximize the screen, and as you can see over here, this server, this US1 OpenVPN server, is optimized for fast web surfing only. No P2P, peer-to-peer downloading is allowed. Most of the people use torrents to download movies and other files, so that is a peer-to-peer downloading, and that's not allowed. And even these servers which have this text mentioned in the red color, so no P2P downloading is allowed. Maybe that will give a very slow downloads, and most of the people on the internet rely on free VPN, free OpenVPN, so the VPN connectivity could be very slow. So let me choose one of these certificate bundles. Last time we have used DE for VPNbook.com, so let me now download PL226 OpenVPN certificate bundle. So click on the link in order to download this certificate bundle. Before that, let me show you all the bundles includes these protocols, TCP and UDP protocols on these port numbers: UDP 53, UDP 2500 and TCP port 80N443. So now let me save this file. We have downloaded the file, so let me open in a folder. So this is the folder in the downloads where you have downloaded this VPNbook.com bundle. So let me extract this zip file, extract to. Let me create a folder over here, VPNbook. Great. Now click on extract to extract the files of the zip folder. As you can see, we have the folder now, and it has 4 certificate profiles. As you can see, TCP 80 OpenVPN, TCP 443 OVPN, UDP 53 OVPN, and UDP 25000. Now let me open a terminal over here in this folder only. So right click in the empty space and click on open terminal here. So as you can see, we are in root. Where is it? We are in root, downloads and open book folder. So let me type ls to list the files. We have 4 files, OVPN files. Now in order to set up VPN, just type OpenVPN, and let me choose, not this, let me choose TCP port 443, that would be better. Copy and paste. So now hit enter. Now you are asked to enter the credentials, that is username and password. The username is VPNbook, and password is, what is the password? Let me go to the website once again. CT36A3K, CT36A3K, 36A3K. So let's wait till the session is established between your computer, your Kali Linux machine and VPN server. there is a fatal error. We have fatal error. Let me clear the screen. What was the command? Oh, sorry, it is sudo open VPN and the name of the certificate. Now type your password. Now we should not find any error. VPNbook is the username and password is CT36A3K. So let's wait till the session is established with the VPN server. Initial sequence completed. Wow. Now we have a connection with the VPN server. Let me open the browser, and this is the IP address of my IP address provided by my ISP. Now let me refresh this page to check if my IP address is changed. So it's a bit slow because we are using free VPN. As you can see down over here, it's now the IP address is 5168.152 and 226. And what is this? As you can see, the IP address is 5168.152 and 226, and it is provided by OVH SAS. It is not my ISP, it is some other's ISP, but the location is from India, Telangana, from the state or city where I located. So let me once minimize this window and let me close this connection. Control C, and I have closed this connection, and let me refresh the browser once again. So this is ISP OVH SAS from my city. So let me refresh once to cross check. Refresh. So as you can see, my IP address is 183.83.60.162.17, that is provided by Act Fibernet. This is my ISP to whom I pay for regular internet service. So guys, this is how you actually use OpenVPN to have a VPN connection or a VPN service in order to hide yourself on internet. So that's it in the class, guys. Have a great day. Thank you for watching the video, and do subscribe to the YouTube channel INSECTECHS.